Hello friends, this is Vidhi and today I'm going to create a visiting card design and the size of this is 88.9 by 50.8 mm. This is the page size. I'll just double click on this rectangle tool to get the rectangle of that particular size. I'll change the color to black. Now I'll select this rectangle, hold shift and decrease the height of this and press right click to create a copy. Then again I'll select this rectangle and decrease the width of this and press right click to create a copy. Now I'll change the color of this, select this and I'll give 70% black color and then I'll select the ellipse tool, hold control and draw a circle. Now I'll select this circle, hold shift and select this any of this object and press E to align the centers horizontally. Select this circle, hold control to maintain an alignment and drag it like this and place it here. Now select this object. I'll just increase the size of the circle. Okay. Now select this object, this one 70% black and increase the width of this. Okay. Now I'll decrease the size of this, hold shift and decrease the size and press right click to create a copy. Again select this circle, decrease the size and press right click to create a copy. Now I'll select Smart Fill tool, fill color here, here, here and here. Now I'll select this rectangle and delete it. Select this circle, delete it. Select this circle, press Alt key and select this circle, delete it and select the inner circle and give 80% black color to this. Select this object and give 70% black. Select this one and give 70% black. Select this object and give this color to this object and give little dark color to this. Okay. Now I'll draw a rectangle here. Select this object, hold shift and select this and press E to align the centers horizontally. Select this object, select shape tool and drag it like this and give this color. Drag and drop with the right click. Click on copy fill here. I'll remove outline of this. Just right click on this cross mark or click on none here. Then I will apply drop shadow to this object. Okay. Now select this object, right click on this, power clip inside, Click on this object to power clip. Now I'll select all and remove outline. Select this object. Click on drop shadow tool and apply drop shadow to this. Okay. Now I'll place text here. Press shift page up to bring it on top. Paste the logo here. Press shift page up. Select all and group it. Okay, this is done now. If you have any doubts in this, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.